friends, family, fellow dreamers. As the fireworks paint the sky with vibrant promises and the echoes of Happy New Year fade into the night, we stand poised at the threshold of 2024. Not just a new year, but a blank canvas, a fresh chapter, a chance to rewrite our narratives and paint our own masterpieces of success. Success, in this symphony of a year, won't be measured in material possessions or fleeting applause. It will be woven from the threads of our passions, the tapestry of our resilience, and the symphony of our collective spirit. The weaver, fingers dancing across the loom, will not just create silk, but stories of self-reliance. His saris, shimmering with vibrant hues, will whisper tales of women who broke free from societal shackles, who built businesses with their bare hands, and who proved that success knows no gender. The farmer, tilling the soil with calloused hands, will not just nourish bodies, but dreams. His sweat and determination will blossom into fields of hope, his harvest a testament to the unwavering spirit of those who feed not just mouths, but ambitions. The young girl, eyes alight with stardust, will not just defy expectations, but rewrite them. She will break through glass ceilings, climb mountains of doubt, and become the doctor who heals not just wounds, but injustices. She will be the scientist who unlocks the secrets of the universe, the artist who paints a future brighter than 1,000 suns. The doctor, her stethoscope a badge of compassion, will not just mend bodies, but hearts. Her gentle touch will soothe anxieties, her unwavering care a beacon of hope for those facing the storms of illness. She will be the embodiment of empathy, a testament to the power of humanity in the face of suffering. The teacher, voice ringing with the music of knowledge, will not just fill minds, but ignite them. His words will spark curiosity, his lessons fan the flames of creativity, and his classrooms become launchpads for a generation of dreamers and doers. Our paths to success may be as diverse as the hues of a sunset, but the spirit that guides us will be one. We will banish the shadows of negativity, apathy, and fear, those weeds that choke ambition. We will embrace the fertile soil of collaboration, where dreams take root and blossom. We will learn from failures, not as chasms of defeat, but as stepping stones to greater heights. Tonight, as the clock strikes midnight, let us not just raise a toast, but raise our expectations, raise our ambitions, raise our voices in a pledge to ourselves, to each other, and to the promise of 2024. Let this be a year where we rewrite our narratives, where we chase our dreams with the unyielding spirit of lions, where we build a future as vibrant and diverse as the tapestry of our hopes. Let us weave success with the threads of our passions, paint it with the colors of our resilience, and orchestrate it with the symphony of our collective spirit. Let 2024 be a year not just of triumph, but of transformation. A year where we, the dreamers, the doers, the builders, become the masters of our own destinies. Happy New Year, and let the symphony of success begin. Remember, this is just a starting point. You can add your own personal anecdotes, local heroes, and specific goals for your community or yourself to make this speech truly your own. Let your passion shine through. Let your voice resonate with conviction, and let your words ignite the fire of possibility in the hearts of everyone who hears you. Make 2024 your year, your masterpiece, your symphony of success.